Hi, welcome to the new lecture. In this lecture, I will show you the basics of e-commerce and categories of e-commerce before going to the Magento CMS e-commerce. So that firstly, let's define what is an e-commerce. E-commerce stands for electronic commerce, which is a type of business that involves the commercial transaction or purchasing or selling of goods and services through electronic channels known as internet. It was first introduced in the year of 1960 through EDI, which is Electronic Data Interchange on VAN, Value Added Network. Using e-commerce, you can sell the physical products, selling of services where the payment is made online. Following are the categories of e-commerce. B2B, which stands for business to business. This transaction is between businesses, it's between wholesalers and retailer, or between a manufacturer and wholesaler. Number two is B2C, which is stand for business to consumer. This transaction is between business and consumer. In this type, merchants sell products to consumer through shopping cart software. The third one is C2C, which is stand for consumer to consumer. In this type of transaction, one consumer or consumer interacts with other consumer through internet. The fourth one is C2B, which is stands for consumer to business. This transaction is between a consumer or customer and business or companies where consumer makes a product that the company uses to complete business. That's all for this lecture of what is e-commerce and what is the category of e-commerce, and see you in next lecture. Goodbye.